It was my childhood dream to be a chef, but for some reason, I went into a different career path. So this year, my gift to myself is to explore my childhood dream by enrolling in culinary classes. I enrolled in Bagels and Schmears lifestyle class this July in Heny Sison Culinary School in Quezon City. The class costs 4,500 pesos for online transfers, and if you want to use your credit card or PayPal transfer, you had to pay 4,700 pesos. The class was on a Friday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. but we ended earlier around 2 p.m. We were given a printed copy of the recipe and an apron that we could take home. We made two kinds of bagels, the New York Style Bagel and the Montreal Style Bagel. We also made a savory vegetable cream cheese schmear and an orange raisin butter. It is my first time to make and bake bread, so it was a new and challenging experience. I didn't know that kneading dough took a lot of effort. We got to take home all the bagels we made, so I went home with around 12 bagels, 6 of each kind. It was definitely a fun experience and I highly recommend you try it too. It's never too late to explore your interests and even your childhood dreams. That's it for now and see you next time. Bye-bye!